Good evening, everybody. It is Bobby's Two Pops Breaks on Thursday. It is June the 20th. We are breaking into Bomb Box Jerseys Plus series. It is a one box or one envelope break. We randomed up our 18 remaining box numbers. 26 is what we got. We did random numbers just to the bottom right there. We've already randomized the customers and numbers, alphabetized everybody afterwards. Gave them a couple minutes to trade. Nothing going down though, fellas. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Bam. Well, we're going to be the Terry McLaurin for spot number 6, guys. Bam! Also going to be the Roger Staubach spot for number 4, guys. Nothing else in that envelope. No bonus ticket, guys. These are like 150 bucks now, so that's actually not a bad box for you, folks. With the double hit. Alright, 6. Going to Kyle. Wow, man. Kyle has killed this series, man. Don't tell me he's got 4, 2. Jesus Christ, guys. Wow, man. Kyle is killing this series. He has taken half of the friggin' hits out of this thing already. Give me 1 second. Let me grab those fellas. Grab those, take those out of the boxes real quick. Alright, bam. Gonna be the Roger Staubach, and that's a navy jersey, guys. You can see it, it's actually like a tan. Not a white. Like I said, it's like a tan, guys. Don't know how well that's coming through on camera. Beautiful SIG. JSA sticker and card on that, baby. Wow, man. I just can't believe Kyle's luck this series. This is getting crazy. I gotta get some other damn people some hits. Bam. Really nice Roger there, man. Yeah, he has taken friggin' half of the damn series so far, man. I have to say it, him and Pat both have been dominating this series. Most of our hits have gone to Pat and Kyle in this series, man. But Kyle's racking them up like I can't believe. Get it, Terry McLaurin, guys, the Ohio State. Signed in the sweet spot there. I don't get it, what's been going on with the damn runs, man. I really don't. I don't know what is going on with guys and runs lately. I mean, he's buying a third of the break, though, guys. I mean, that's the other thing. Well, Kyle continuing to dominate in jerseys, guys. Still got a lot of great stuff left for you, folks. And as you can see, even your mid and lower hit boxes yield you pretty damn good value there, folks, overall. So that's going to wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central by the 2 Pops Breaks.